We have our palm oil here. We're going to begin by pouring the oil in the pan. Trust me when I say that. If you ask me, I'll say this is the best sauce you could ever have. Palm oil, onions, and pepper. It's really, really, really the best. So we're just going to cover this up and allow it to hot up properly. Right, so this is I just turned up the stove. I'm going to stir this up. And it is ready. The palm oil sauce doesn't take so much time. It's ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care and God bless.